Hoan'ity taranja karaté indray zany dia i maître Dominique Ramilson izay anisan'ny mpiatroka izany taranja izany. Voatarintsika ao anatin'ity fanadihadiana ity ny mikasika any Dominique Ramilson.
Concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Toxic picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him because he makes a living from writing rap.
Tena marina dia efa saika tsy hampianatra karaté intsony noho ny fahitana ny zava-mitranga eo amin'ilay resaka sport karaté. Nefa rehefa nampianampianatra tany amin'ireo namana dia misy ireo mitaky ny iverenako sy ampitana an'ireo teknika izay nananana dia noho n'ireo tanora hanabeazana an'ireo tanora dia manasa betsaka ho an'ireo izay tia karaté vonona nampianatra anareo ako.
Inona no mahasamihafy an'ilay style ampiasainao sy ilay style misy be dia be amin'izao fotoana?
Ny tena marina zany dia ny anarana moa no style hoe Oatoryu, Shotokan, Shitoryu, fa izaho zany amazay ahy dia style Dominique, maître Dominique dia tia tongotra, zay moa no tena style nahafantaran'ny olona ako.
Ina avy ndreo zavatra hoe hita ao anatin'ny ity fitoerana fampianarana ity?
Hita ato ny karaté sport, zany hoe karaté olympique any amin'ny championnat reny, dia karaté self défense, fiarovatena zany.
Misy salan-taona ve ny manao ny taranja karaté sa?
Tsy dia hoe misy salan-taona fa rivonina moa dia efa azona raisina tanandroa daholo, zay hoe mba manana fanolina sy mba te mbolo hiverina mavitsibitsika amin'ny vatana sy afaka iarovatena dia eto aho fa vonona indray anareo.
Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse.